Can Samsung TV do AirPlay? Yes, Samsung Smart TVs support AirPlay, allowing users to wirelessly stream and mirror content from iPhones, iPads, and Mac devices. Many Samsung Smart TVs, 2018 and newer, come with Apple AirPlay 2 built in, enabling easy sharing of videos, music, and screen mirroring without additional hardware. However, AirPlay must be enabled in the TV settings before use. 1. How to enable AirPlay on a Samsung TV. Step 1. Press the Home button on the remote and go to Settings. Step 2. Navigate to General, then Apple AirPlay Settings. Step 3. Turn AirPlay on and adjust settings like Require Code for security. Step 4. Ensure the Samsung TV and Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. 2. How to AirPlay content from an Apple device. Step 1. Open an app like YouTube, Photos, or Apple Music on the iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Step 2. Tap the AirPlay icon, a rectangle with a triangle at the bottom. Step 3. Select the Samsung TV from the list of available devices. Step 4. The content will start playing on the Samsung TV. 3. How to screen mirror an iPhone or Mac to a Samsung TV. For iPhone, iPad, open Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner, tap Screen Mirroring, and select the Samsung TV. Enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV if required. For Mac, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar. Select the Samsung TV to extend or mirror the screen. 4. Troubleshooting AirPlay issues on Samsung TV. If AirPlay is not working, ensure the TV and Apple device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restart both devices and try again. Update the TV software in Settings, then Support, then Software Update. Reset AirPlay settings by going to Settings, then General, then Apple AirPlay Settings, then Reset Paired Devices. Samsung Smart TVs support AirPlay, enabling seamless streaming and screen mirroring from Apple devices. If AirPlay does not work, adjusting Wi-Fi settings, software updates, and AirPlay settings can help restore connectivity.